Channel. So if you thought Sidus Space was done yesterday, you would have been mistaken. Today Sidus Space is up 74%, trading at $8.16. If you remember, yesterday it was announced that Sidus Space will be taking part in a NASA mission, and as one of the companies taking part in that contract, the stock valuation of Sidus Space went up by more than 100% yesterday. Today we have the stock price of Sidus Space that has gone up even higher, because if you look at the stock price 2 days ago on Tuesday, Sidus Space was trading at $1.42. Today it has risen all the way up to $8.10. This is just unprecedented. This is crazy. So the mission by NASA is worth $3.5 billion. Sidus Space already has a very strong track record, with building space vehicles and satellites, validating instruments to be used in space. So they have a very, very strong and solid track record. But when the $3.5 billion contract was announced yesterday, the stock price of Sidus Space took off like a rocket to the moon. Some might have thought that Sidus Space would be done yesterday, but you guys can see that yesterday the stock closed at $4.68. Today it opened up at $7.60, and throughout the course of the day it has risen until it went as high as $9.22 before coming back down to $8.08. So congratulations to those who jumped on Sidus Space yesterday, even though many might have thought that the stock had already run its course. But again, I still see some headroom. Space exploration, launching vehicles into space, is something that's going to be huge in the next couple of years. So with Sidus Space getting part of this $3.5 billion contract, they have another opportunity yet to prove that they are a major player within the space race. And so other companies, they are more likely to come now to Sidus Space. Other countries, to help them maybe build their satellites, validate instruments that they are going to be using in space, do consultancy work for them for their rockets and other things that has a link with space. So that's a very, very good deal for Sidus Space and the shareholders of Sidus Space. The volume today is 73 million compared to an average volume of 3.4 million. We have barely 2 hours 15 minutes to the closing bell. I will jump off here, allow you guys to do your final trades for the day. But just remember that today was not a good day at all on Wall Street. S&P 500 down 3.09%, Dow 30 down 2.26%, the Nasdaq down 4.03%, and the Russell 2000 down 4.16%. So literally a bloodbath. But within all this turmoil, you have a gem like Sidus Space that stands above the fray. And right now they are trading at 66.99% in the green, whereas the stock price is $7.82. So once more, congratulations on those who saw Sidus Space yesterday and jumped in, and they must have made quite the killing today. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for those who subscribed recently to the channel. We are now growing. We are at 510 subscribers with a target of 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections in November. Thank you for your time.